In the previous video, I introduced the DJI Goggle N3 and the motion controller, but how do they actually work? Today let's dive into the details. Welcome back, my name is Tom and this is Drone It Up. I also bought the carry case for the goggles on Amazon. For weeks I didn't know where to store everything, but this case fits all my accessories perfectly. Of course, the drone itself is inside as well, the small Neo. Under the Neo there is a base for the battery charger, and next to it the Motion 3 controller fits perfectly. Plus there is a room for 2 extra batteries. But enough about the case, let's talk about my experience with the goggles, how well they work for me and features they offer. I watched a lot of FPV videos and I was really impressed by them. Owning one wasn't even part of my plan until the Neo came along. I bought it, tried it out and realized that even this little drone is capable of FPV style flying. But there was a catch: I needed the Goggle 3, which cost almost 4 times as much as the drone itself, plus any additional controller. Then came the rumors about a more affordable alternative, and at the moment I know this was the headset I needed. How do we connect the goggles to the drones? Everything you need to know can be found in the app, making the setup process super easy. Plus, the DJI has an excellent tutorial video on this topic. I will leave the link up here in the top right corner. I will quickly walk you through the process. Tap on the connection guide in the app. You will see a list of almost all DJI drones. Select the DJI Neo, choose connect with RCN goggles, select the goggles N3, and the app will guide you through the setup step by step with details in instruction and animations. Let's get started. Let's see how the goggles work. After connecting the drone to the goggles, the built-in tutorial will guide us through the steps. First we select the language, then adjust the handband for a comfortable fit. The tutorial also walks us through the bottom controls. It's really simple. Holding the mini joystick down brings up to the top menu bar, pushing it up opens the camera settings, moving it right takes us to the main menu. Easy and intuitive. And that's it, just one last step before takeoff. The final step is the motion control tutorial, which says it takes about 10 minutes, but it's usually quicker. It explains the basics and then we can start a mini training session. Double press the yellow lock button, the drone's propeller starts spinning. Hold the lock button, the drone takes off. Lightly press the accelerator till the control left or right. The drone turns in the direction. Hold the accelerator straight and full press it, the drone moves forward. Push the accelerator up, the drone moves backwards. Press the lock button, the drone stops immediately. Now let's see how the cursor actually works. It's simple. At the end of the long little arrow there is a dot. Use it to select the destroy function. The quick action button is our small enter key. In the bottom right corner we can see notifications related to the drone. Now let's take a look at the camera controls. On the motion controller you will find the record button in the middle of the left side. As shown in the animation, pressing this button allows you to take the photos or record the videos. You can also set it to the start recording automatically the moment you take off. In the main menu you can set which hand you want to use for the controller. You can also adjust the speed for different modes. In the normal mode, the maximum speed is 21.6 km per hour, while in the sport mode it goes up to 28 km per hour. At first this might seem really fast, but after a week or two of practice it will start to feel slow. The next feature, which is really fun and may make you a little dizzy at first, is Easy Acro. It's only available in a normal mode and lets you do a flip forward, backward or sideways with just one click. I recorded this clip with the DJI Mini 4K and then my son controlled the Neo using the goggles. It's that easy to handle, even a 7 years old can fly it with easy. The automatic return to home function also works in the Goggle mode if the battery is running low or if the connection between the goggles and the drone is lost. I don't recommend relying on this feature in a dense forest, as the drone may get stuck in the trees. And the most important feature in any situation is finding the Neo if the crashes, especially in a forest with lots of leaves. But how do we locate it? Go to main menu, then settings, then safety, and look for the ESC beeping option. Once activated, the drone will start beeping loudly to help you find it. However, if the battery gets ejected, that's unfortunate. In this case, the best solution is to review the last footage through the goggles to get any idea of where it might have fallen. Since the drone is small, finding it can be tricky, so I recommended using colorful propellers or a bright protective cover to make it more visible. And what is my experience with the Goggle 3 and the Motion Control 3? I really like them. As always, DJI materials quality is top notch and the symmetrical design gives it the premium feel. There is a touch of elegance in every DJI product, so it's not surprised that people love them. Using the motion controller is incredibly easy, though the drone is still semi-automatic. Hopefully next time I will get to try it with the FPV controller, which unlocks full manual control, allowing the tiny Neo to speed up to 60 km per hour. That's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also, check out the description for useful links and feel free to leave the comment below. See you in the next time and fly safe.